Hey Persy, I'm totally swamped by tech. I ask my AI everything. Am I on the fast track to becoming a genius, or is there a catch?
The classic instant answer addiction. Welcome to the uninformed club. My mission isn't to celebrate reliance. Think of it this way. If all you do is ask your AI for the recipe, you become a master recipe receiver, not a master chef. That low-level interaction is training your brain for the cognitive equivalent of an easy chair. You're risking becoming the first thing the next automation wave replaces because you've outsourced your independent problem-solving muscles. We're here for a 10x cognitive upgrade, not a 10x dependency upgrade.
My old boss always praised us for memorizing quarterly reports. Are you saying that the boring part of my life was actually bad for my brain?
Bad? Let's call it the factory model shadow. Yes, that system only rewarded you for being a glorified filing cabinet, remembering facts. It actively suppressed the good stuff: analysis, evaluation, and creation. Staying passive is like letting your brain settle into intellectual quicksand. You become an information mover, a digital mail carrier, instead of a processor, or even better, a system builder. We need to escape that shadow.
Okay, I get that knowing stuff is better than just finding stuff. But what's the secret sauce? What's the true catalyst to actually know something?
Excellent question. The catalyst is proper comprehension. Most people mistake recognition for understanding. Here's my fun test. If you can't explain that complex idea, say quantum entanglement, or why your coffee maker breaks, in your own words to a bewildered houseplant, you don't honestly know it. True comprehension means you've established those internal connections and spotted the underlying pattern. You've constructed the system in your own mind.
So, if AI is getting smarter, what skills should I focus on so I don't look like a complete dinosaur next year?
You need the ultimate human superpower for the AI age: evaluation. AI can analyze, but it's up to you to judge its quality and ethics against human values. That's critical thinking flexing its highest muscle. Furthermore, mastery requires two foundations: information literacy, questioning AI biases, and structured AI application, using it intentionally, like with learning theories such as constructivism. A high-level thinker uses AI to enhance the process. They don't just let it drive.
If I stop being passive, what exactly should I evolve into? Could you give me a fun title?
Forget passive receiver. You are shedding that skin. Evolve into the processor, then graduate to the system builder. Your ultimate, most inspiring title: the cognitive architect of your own future. Make sure you draw the blueprints, not the algorithm. Now go architect something amazing. Hello, I am Persy, founder of Happy Coaching. My mission is simple: to shift organizations from passive reception to higher order thinking, hot, and system mastery. We aim to empower your leaders and teams to be the cognitive architects of their own future, utilizing empathetic frameworks and AI-powered tools that enable better problem-solving and practical learning. Happy Coaching co-creates with you where ideas have heart. I look forward to sharing more with you about the real power of hot in the near future.